Welcome back to Razmafsar TV. Today I'm going to show you a technique with a neyze, Persian cutting steel. So you are here in this position. Look at my hands facing, the palms facing the sky, upward. I come and switch this, so I'm holding it like this, you see? Right. So once I'm here, I switch this. Then I go, so I change the gun like this. You see that? Again, I'm here, I change this, keep the gun, then I bring it up. Right? From here, I thrust. Right? With the neyze, with spearhead. I show it to you again here. First, change, don't do it so fast, keep the gun, bring it up, not thrust beforehand, bring it up. From here you thrust. You can also split piston shape, or you can thrust also like that. Right? From this here, I thrust like that. Then I switch my hand. Look at this, my hand a bit here, and I switch my hand again here on top like that. Then I hit. Right? So then I'm now in the front going to the other side. So again, I'm here. I switch, go up, thrust, then pull it from there. I switch and then hit. Then, you see, keep this, switch, bring it up, thrust, coming back, switch, right? Then come and change the side. Then I come here, bring it up, hit, change the hand position, hit. You see that? You can do it then from both sides, right? From here, I bring it up, thrust, change, hit, change, bring it up, thrust, change, hit, change, bring it up, thrust, change, and hit. This shows you how to change the position of your hands with the neyze and then go from one guard to the other effectively. I show it from here again. So I'm here. I change, bring it up, thrust, change the position, hit. I change the position, bring it up, thrust, right? Change the position, hit. I change the position, thrust. Excuse me, I change the position, thrust. Change the position, hit. I change the position, thrust. Change the position, hit. Right? I change the position, bring it up, thrust. Change the position, hit. I change the position, bring it up, thrust. Change the position, hit. This is what I want you to do with neyze. Please practice it so you get fluent in it and you get better and better. Thank you very much.